Hello friends. In previous video we have already gone through the different types of operators. Now in this video we'll go on through the remaining operators. The sixth operator is comma operator. Comma operator is used to permit different expression to be appear in the situation where only one expression would be used. All the expressions are separated by the comma and evaluated from the left to right. Next, consider for example int I comma j comma k comma l. So now we have created four variables of an integer type. Next, for I equal to 1 comma j is equal to 2. So now what we are doing here, we are giving two initialization of a variable, that is I and j, with the help of comma in the initialization section of a for loop. And for the condition, we are given two different conditions, that is I is less than equal to 5 and j is less than equal to 10. After that, for the increment and decrement operator also we are given two different operators. Fine. So with the help of comma operator, we can differentiate the different initializations. Seventh operator is size of operator. The size of operator is a unary operator which gives a size of operand and in terms of byte that can be occupied in the memory. An operand may be variable, constant, or a data type qualifier. Generally, it is used to make a program portable. It determines the length of entities, arrays, and structure when their size are not known to the programmer. It is also used to allocate the size of memory dynamically during the program execution. So in this code, we have created two variables. One is sum of integer type and one is f of a floating type. Through that, we are printing the value as size of f, size of sum, and size of 235L and size of A. So the output you will get will be, for the size of f, you will get output as a 4 bytes, right? And for the size of sum, that is of integer type. So for same thing, that is also 4 bytes. But for the size of 235L, that is a long value, so you will get your size as 8 bytes. And for size of A, that is a character A, so you will get size as 1 bytes. Next operator is bitwise operator. A bitwise operator permits a programmer to access and manipulate of a data at a bit level. There are different bitwise operators are present. First is ones complement, second is bitwise AND, third is bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, left shift and right shift. These operators can operate on integer and character value, but we cannot use it on the float and double value. In bitwise operator, the function show bits is used to display the binary representation of any integer or a character value. But in ones complement, if you want to change the data, like if you are entering the bit 0, so the value will get inverted as a 1. And if you are entering 1, then your value will get changed as 0. Next, in bitwise OR, it's the value would obtained by 0 to 2 bits, and in bitwise or operator it is used to set on the particular bit in a number. For the bitwise AND or the logical AND, it operates on the two operands, and operands are compared on the bit by bit. Hence, both the operands are of same type. Next is ninth and last operator, that is logical or a boolean operator. Operator used with a one or more operand and return either value 0 or 1. The operand may be constant, variable or expression, and the expression that combines two or more expression is termed as logical expression. C programming has three logical expressions. First is logical AND, second is logical OR, and third is logical NOT, where logical NOT is a unary operator and others are binary operator. Logical AND gives the result true if both the conditions are true. Otherwise, the result will be false. And logical OR will give you the result false if both the conditions are false. Otherwise, the result will be true. So I'll show you in the table. Consider you are using your input as a, this is your consider first input and this is your consider second input. So if your first input is true, true, second input is true, false, third input is false, true, and last input is consider false and false. So if we are performing logical AND, so now what will happen? True and true, as the statement says, if the both the results are true, then only you will get a true. Otherwise, all the statement will be false. And for the logical OR, if both the statements are false, only that time you will get the answer as a false. Otherwise, for every statement, it will return you the true. And for the logical NOT, if the input is true, then output will be false. And if the input is false, then output will be true. So in this video, we have seen the different operators which are there in a C programming.